As we stroll through NY, we're getting ready to meet up with my other best friend Christian. We're gonna go see Spider-Man No Way Home. We did our really cute gift exchange. Like I was saying, we did our gift exchange. Aja has, can this flip? Can this flip? Flip! Why won't it flip? There we go. Yes! Hello! Woo! Ah. Okay, but like I was saying, so we are currently on our way to the theater to meet up with my friend Christian. We're gonna go see Spider-Man No Way Home, and then after that we're gonna go grab a bite to eat out at Omar's Kitchen, which we're really excited about because we've been talking about this for weeks on end and we're finally gonna go. So yeah, enjoy a day in NYC and I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a bit. Hey guys, what's up? And welcome once again. So before I wrap up this vlog, and because I finally had a chance to like sit down and actually talk to you guys, I'm having a smoothie right now. I wanted to share with you all my Christmas gifts. And if I sound nasally, I'm under the weather because I've honestly been sick. So I got a cold literally right after I got my COVID test. So I got tested for COVID, came out negative, thank God. And then my sinuses just went on a frenzy. And yeah, so that happened. I got a cold, and then the cold suddenly turned into allergies, and I've been sneezing nonstop. So I pretty much have been doing everything to like boost my immune system while I'm home. Sorry, my hands are ashy. While I've been home. But thankfully, funny enough, everyone got sick around the same time. So like we've all just been kind of like under a funk when it comes to our sinuses and just getting rid of a lot of mucus. So I'm not the greatest when it comes to eating fruits, but smoothies are like bomb.com. So that's what I've been having, is just like a mid-afternoon meal replacement or just as a snack, and they've been so good. So the one I'm having right now is a fruit medley of strawberry, bananas, mango, and pineapple, and then I like to add one whole fresh banana just for a little more sweetening, and the fresh banana just makes a whole difference. So that's what I'm having now with some almond milk. But I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna share with you guys what my Christmas gifts were, and I hope that you had a very Merry Christmas. And I know this upload is going up late, but I still wanted it to go up because it's my last upload for the month of December before we head into the new year. So I just want to wish everybody a super and amazing new year. May it be filled with tons of blessings and just a ton of abundance. I'm really excited for everybody, honestly. So yeah, let's get into what I got. So first things first is this hat. So this hat was gifted to me by my buddy, my pal, my man's Christian. He got me this from Zara per my request, of course, because we made it very easy for each other. So like me and my two like really great friends, we just asked each other what we wanted. So I wanted this hat from Zara. I got him a pair of gloves that he saw over at Zara. So that was our gift exchange, but I absolutely love it. It's so comfy, and then I just love the touch of green and light beige on top of this just like tan brown. Y'all already know these are my colors, so I was very, very happy about that. Next up, my girly Aja, she hooked me up with the Bose SoundLink speaker. Absolutely love this speaker. I've been listening to it nonstop for the last 3 days since I like hooked it up and plugged it in and charged it. So I opted for the black because, you know, all the other colors were super funky, but me being the klutz that I am, and just like sometimes my apartment tends to get pretty cluttered, I knew those colors would get dirty, so I just went with the black, and I absolutely love it. The bass on this is insane, and then the songs just sound like butter, because if that's one thing I absolutely love, is hearing my favorite song on a speaker, but to hear it on this speaker in particular, just having a new device makes the song that much better. So I've been jamming OD, but I absolutely love this. So super, super, super great gift from my girly Aja, who I love and adore, both of them, both Christian and Aja. And we went out to dinner Sunday, which you guys saw at the beginning of this vlog. So that was our gift exchange date. Next up, my sister gifted me these tumblers, which are really, really cute because y'all know I love a good cup. Honestly, I love stuff like this for in the mornings when I'm like making my breakfast and stuff. So this is really, really cute. I can have my smoothies in here or just a cup of orange juice. So just a really great, useful gift. And then she also gifted me these Martha Stewart coquettes. I hope I'm saying that right, but these are so adorable. And I say that I can use these for like hard-boiled eggs and do little things like that, but right now at the current moment I have them for decoration. So if you guys have ever used these, then please feel free to let me know what you use yours for. Another gift, she gifted me with some bomb fuzzy slippers. These are super comfortable, and they came right in time because my other fuzzy slippers were actually going through it. So she picked these out for me, and obviously one of my favorite colors, light gray. And then the last gift, which is my favorite, she also gifted me this jacket from Zara, this quilted jacket, and I absolutely love stuff like this. I've already worn it once, and it's like a beautiful, almost, I don't know, it's a reflective like burgundy color. It's coming up a little more brown, but it's more of a wine color in person. So I absolutely love it. It fits really nice. I'll go ahead and show you guys the fit. So it looks like this on. So cute! I love this jacket so much because it's hella comfy, and so it just has that menswear feel, but it's so comfy. And if you're wondering what size I'm wearing, this is an extra small. So yeah, she got me that. And if you saw my last video, then you already know what gifts I got for myself. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got, and I'm super grateful, super thankful for everybody in my life, and just this Christmas and this holiday as a whole. I was honestly left feeling very grateful and very humbled by the people that I have in my life, and just humbled overall with where I am in my life. Also, today I paid, so I pretty much made my last payment of rent for the year. That is 12 months of living on my own. That is another year down in the books, and I'm super happy and proud of myself to just be living on my own for the last 3 years, and to be honestly just doing it gracefully. And I can't thank anyone else other than God for getting me through, but handing in that payment every single month always just feels amazing. So to do it for the last month of the year right before the New Year's feels like a great way to just set the tone for how I've been feeling just this week in this holiday season, and just this entire year overall, which is just grateful. So really happy about that. And once again, I hope you guys all have an amazing New Year's. You spend it with family, or you spend it with friends, or you spend it with your extended family, and that you also stay safe. Of course, with the surges of COVID going on, you want to make sure that you stay safe, and you know, just be mindful. Have an amazing, healthy, and abundant, and prosperous New Year's. I will catch you guys in 2022. So much love, and have a great New Year's. Mwah. Bye.